United Kingdom is one of the richest countries in Europe. So how come a third of Wales's children still live in poverty? This is because of Westminster policies like the bedroom tax and universal credit, which deliberately targets society's poorest. And living costs in Wales are also so much higher compared to the rest of Britain. But did you know we generate 2.5 times more electricity than we use here in Wales? Yet Welsh consumers pay some of the highest prices for electricity in Britain. An independent Wales could sell this abundance of electricity, invest the profits into our communities, and lower our bills. It's the same story with our water. We pipe hundreds of billions of litres of water to England every year, all for next to nothing. And with our average water bills being higher than the rest of the UK, we need to ask ourselves, where's the benefit for Wales? An independent Wales could sell this water to benefit the national economy, to develop our country. And we're not just missing out on natural resources, we're also losing our talent. Brain drain is a serious problem as people leave Wales for better opportunities elsewhere. With our workers being the lowest paid in Great Britain, it's no wonder so many pack their bags and leave. An independent Wales, investing in our economy and our people, could keep talent here. No matter who's been in charge in London, the economy has been designed to extract wealth from Wales, be that resources from our land or from our people. We can only change the direction of our country if we decide where to lay our tracks.